50 Days of Attempting to Change the World by NimaRadanArt. Leaving behind good children encompasses more than just biological offspring. It is about nurturing and guiding the next generation, instilling in them values of compassion, empathy, and responsibility. By raising children who are conscious of their impact on the world, we ensure that the cycle of positive change continues beyond our own lifetime.
Day 37. Trust in divine timing. Dear God, help me to trust in your divine timing. Grant me patience and faith that everything will unfold according to your perfect plan. Amen.
Today's motivation is ours for a happier world.
Stay positive, work hard, make it happen.
Today's decision is ours for a happier world.
Support ethical and sustainable fashion brands.
For unity for a happier world.
Let us unite against all forms of violence and work towards a world where peace is our common goal.
What is the purpose of our life?
Life's purpose is to find our passion, to pursue it wholeheartedly, and to inspire others to do the same.
I believe that each of us can play a role in building a better world with our small and big decisions. I want to take this opportunity to remind others that we are all human and together we can make the world a better place. I want you to join me on this journey. Together we can make a difference. Sincerely, Nima.